Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will educate you about how to turn flaxseed grain into a gel, which could be used as a hair mask, shampoo or conditioner 2-in-1. Flaxseed gel for hair promotes quicker, longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. Vitamin E in flaxseed nourishes the scalp while reducing the free radical damage. It promotes hair development and slow hair breaking by improving blood flow in the scalp. Something I should mention here is I wouldn't advise to use it as a curling gel. Very important, guys, because it could leave residue behind after it is dry. In this occasion, guys, we would like to inform you of our next workshop, which will be carried out in Manchester Media City this summer. More information will be coming soon on our website lafrobeauty.com or our social media, Facebook, Instagram. So do not hesitate to ask us a question as well. We're going to leave a number here for you to contact us if you're interested in reserving your spot. If you're interested in knowing more about how to wash your hair with a flaxseed gel, then do not hesitate to check on my previous video on this channel.